Useless thing. Then what happened one day? What happened? What happened one day? Chasing. Who was chasing who? Simon the shark was chasing. Nihan, who was Simon the shark chasing? Who was Simon the shark chasing? Dudley the dolphin. Then where did they reach? They reached somewhere. Where? Where? Shore. Where did they reach? The shore. Okay. What did they see there? You were there? Danashri was standing? Then who was there? What did they see? Gala? What did they see there? They saw some footprints. Whose footprints were these? Your footprints? Then one by one. Raccoon, frog and alligator. Okay. What were they doing? They were sleeping? Akshaya, they were sleeping? What were they doing, Akshaya? No, who was dancing? Alligator was dancing. All right. Okay. Alligator was dancing. And who was playing the music?
Raccoon.
Which musical instrument he was playing with?
Raccoon.
He had a musical instrument. With what was he playing? With what was he playing? Fiddle. Very good. What was the instrument's name? Fiddle. And who is this?
No.
Who is this? Frog was also playing with something? Banjo. Okay. So the frog was playing with the banjo and the raccoon was playing with the fiddle, and who was dancing? Okay. So the alligator was dancing. And who was happy to look at them? Don't shout. Simon the shark and Dudley the dolphin. They both were very happy. They were clapping hands. And then suddenly what happened? Yes. Who went away? Playing the music. Who went away? Frog and alligator. Then who became sad?
Softly, please. No shouting, Gala.
Dudley the dolphin and Shark the salmon. They became sad. Why? Yes. Because alligator, raccoon and frog went off, so they became sad. Then what happened? Who was more sad? Who was more sad? Simon, why? Yeah. But what else? What else was the reason? Why was Simon the shark more sad? Because he did not have sisters or brothers. Dudley had sisters? Dudley the dolphin? This one? Dudley the dolphin? Did he have sisters?
Yes, 2 sisters.
Danashri, he had 2 sisters. Sit down. You are standing. Okay. Now say yes. How many sisters he had? 2 sisters. Okay. So Dudley the dolphin had 2 sisters. Melvin, Dudley the dolphin had 2 sisters. Yes. And Simon the shark had no sisters or brothers.
And he had no friends as
And
well.
no friends also.
So he was very sad.
So that made him very sad. Okay. Then what happened? What did Simon the shark do then? No, what did Simon the shark do? Nihan, what did he do then? Wait, Nihan, stand up. Nihan, what
full happy and they were good
They
friends.
were friends again. All the four. Who were the four? Doodley the dolphin, Simon the shark, and the two sisters. They all were friends again. See? Doodley the dolphin, the two sisters, and Simon the shark, they all were friends again, and they all were very happy. Very good. Clap hands. Very nice.